Hey, what's up people, this is Saurabh welcoming you to yet another video on my channel, and today I'm going to give you my full review of a newly launched web application called Krowd. So in this video I'll be telling you what exactly is Krowd, what it does and how it can help you. So for that I'll be showing you inside the members area of the Krowd. I'll be showing you the demo of how to create a campaign inside Krowd, and I'll be also showing you my bonuses if you decide to pick up Krowd using my link, which is in the description down below, and you can check it out. So Krowd is a web application that is going to give you all the top trending pins in Pinterest for any particular niche. So once you run a search for a particular campaign for a particular niche, uh, this application is going to display you all the pins which are top trending in that particular niche. So what you can do, you can model those pins, you can model those pictures, you can model those quotes and create your own pins, and that is how you drive the traffic to your website, to your offer, or to whatever link you are promoting through Pinterest. So basically this Krowd application is all about Pinterest. So if you are someone who wants to get started with Pinterest, or if you're someone who has got a blog and wants more traffic, then Pinterest is one of the best ways to get traffic for a particular blog. And there are around 320 million searches per month on Pinterest. So there is a lot of traffic out there in Pinterest. You just know how to get that traffic towards your offer, towards your blog. So this product is going to help out any affiliate marketers, any bloggers, anyone who wants to get started with Pinterest. Or if you are already using Pinterest and not getting traffic, then using this application, this software, that is going to help you out. So with this software, together with the bonuses which I'm offering, which I'm going to show you a bit later on, you are going to get covered with Pinterest traffic. You don't need anything else apart from these things for getting succeeded, for getting started on Pinterest. So now let's have a look inside the members area of Pinterest and see what it is all about. So right now I'm inside the members area, and this is how the interface is gonna look like. It's a very simple and clean interface. You are going to get dashboard, you're going to get my access, you are going to get support. This is where you need to log support tickets, and then there will be tutorials. So there will be a tutorial videos over here. So how this works, so let me show you by creating a campaign. So let's create a new campaign. So let's call it test one. Yeah, that's fine. So we are calling it test one, and here we need to enter the keyword. So that keyword is a particular niche where you are into, and you want to see what all top trending pins are in that particular niche. So let's see spirituality. This is the niche, and let's search for spirituality. So these are the different top trending pins under spirituality on Pinterest right now, and you can sort them with the maximum number of pins or the likes. So let's sort them by likes. So you can see this particular pin has got 33,000 likes and 27,000 pins, and similarly 55,629 likes on this one. So now you have got an idea. These are the top trending pins in this particular niche. So what you can do, you need to just click them to add to inspiration. You can add more, and now what you need to do, you need to just create your pins around these topics, around these images, around these quotes which people are using, because these images, these quotes, these topics are trending right now in spirituality niche. So our picture, our quote is going to be around that only. So maybe let's see. Now we need to click on next to create our own pin. So you don't need to go into Pinterest. So you can, from here you can just create your own pin, and there are different images which are available by default, free to use images for every niche. So here you can also upload your own image if you want to, but you can also use the built-in images, and these are where your inspirations were stored. So maybe let's see, we want to use this particular headline, best spiritual books that will change your life. Maybe you are promoting a spiritual book, right? So we can use the same headline, and we can see what kind of image is this. Okay, so this is something related to book, and let's see. Maybe just for the demo purpose, I'm just going to take this one. And here is the interface where you can create your own pin. You could add text over here, right? The best book, we can write, right, the best book. Okay, we can use the same headline, same quote. I'm just showing you a demo, and there's you can center this, you can center it right, you can put it left, you can move this thing, you can make it bold, and you can also apply filter to these images. Let's see, you can do grayscale, you can do sepia, you can do blur, invert. So there's a lot you can do, right? And you can just type in here. You can also mask the image if you want to. You can choose different fonts, you can change the color. So let's see, for example, we have created our pin over here. Then we just have to click on save image, and we need to click on publish the post. So what it is going to do, it is going to publish the post on Pinterest, as we can see here. So here you can add your description, and here you can add your link, what you are promoting for whatever product under that particular category, that particular niche you are promoting. And for this demo purpose, let's just put google.com, and you can just click on post now. So what it is going to do, it is going to open your Pinterest, and you can select your board, and you can just make the pin. So this is how the Krowd software works. You can do all these things manually as well in Pinterest, but that is going to take a hell lot of time, and time is money, as you know. So this software is going to save your time in finding the trending pins on a particular topic, and you can then model your own pins, your own content around that trending topics. And now let me show you my bonuses which I'm offering, and I'll be also telling you the price of this software. So for that, you need to just click on the link in the description down below, and you will come to this particular page over here, and make sure you get the bonuses before this countdown timer runs out. So now talking about the price, the front end price for Krowd is $17, and you're going to get a monthly quota of 150 searches. You can extract, you can create, you can select images, quotes, description, you can do all the good things with the front end for $17, and it's just a one-time payment. There is no monthly hardships. The next OTO, which is the one-time offer, is the Krowd Control, that is going to cost you $67, and you're going to get some more additional features with this OTO one. You're going to get more free traffic, you're going to get 450 searches per month. You can spin, you can description, tags, titles, you can spin the content, you can automatically give titles. So it covers most of the automation part of it. The next OTO is called Krowd Stampede, and that is going to cost you $37. And again, it's all about some more additional features, more automation, more searches per month. Here you're going to get 900 searches per month, and you can also automate the posting on Pinterest using this OTO. The next OTO, the OTO number 3, is Krowd Instant Traffic for $97. So with this, what you can do, user pixel is added to Swarm sales page, enabling them to build a large targeted audience. So they will put your pixel on their sales pages, and for that, and you will get that traffic what they are getting. You can build your own targeted audience. The OTO 4 is the Krowd Agency, that is the reseller package for $47, and then you can resell the entire product as your own, the entire funnel, and you can make the 100% commissions. The OTO 5 is the Krowd 7-day to 1K training, that is going to cost you $197. So in this you're going to get the trainings, tutorials done for your products. So all these OTOs are optional. It is up to you if you want to go ahead with the OTOs. They are not mandatory. You can get started with the front end offer, and then later on you can upgrade to any of the OTOs you want. And now talking about the bonuses which I'm offering. So my number one bonus which I'm offering is 60 minutes one-on-one coaching call with me. So I'm going to give you a 60-minute coach if you pick up the front end copy of Krowd using my link. So that is going to be 60-minute coaching call on any topic in affiliate marketing. I can also help you to set up Krowd, or if you want to talk about anything else in affiliate marketing, we can discuss on that, and I can help you with that topic. The next bonus which I'm going to give you is how to find a profitable niches. So it is very important that we need to find the profitable niches, the right niches for ourselves in order to promote a product. So if we decide to go with Pinterest, then we need to know like what niche is profitable, what should I promote, what all products I promote in that particular niche. So this is my training, my own training which I'm going to give you as to how to find the profitable niches. The next bonus which I'm going to give you is how to make money from CPO offers. So CPO offers with Pinterest, they work really well, and you will learn how to make money from these CPO offers, how to find the CPO offers, and then you can promote them on Pinterest using Krowd. The next bonus is I'm going to give you a training course on how to make at least $250 per day using Pinterest free traffic. So this training course is all about Pinterest, as to how you need to build up your profile, how you need to set up boards, how you need to make money using Pinterest, how you need to drive the traffic from Pinterest to your offers, to your blogs. And the next bonus is you're going to get all the vendor bonuses which are there. So guys, with all these bonuses together with this product, you don't need anything else if you want to get started with Pinterest. That is all you need to go with Pinterest. Even if you're already using Pinterest and not getting results, or if you want to add a new traffic source in your business, then Pinterest is the best way these days to get started with. With these bonuses which I've specifically crafted for this particular product, Krowd. As I said, these are not some random bonuses which I put in. I've gone through the Krowd software, and then I curated these bonuses for you so that they can complement the product, and you don't have to go anywhere else after using this product and these bonuses. So all you need to do, just click on the link in the description down below and get access to the Krowd software and my bonuses. And all the bonuses will be right there inside the members area once you make the purchase inside the Warrior Plus. So guys, I hope you got some value out of this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to let me know and I'll get back to you. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Cheers.